This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, May the 8th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, a storm system from the Great Lakes and New England down into the southern plains with some showers and thunderstorms there, some of which were severe earlier in the southern plains and fairly quiet off to the north and west. Watch warning map looks fairly quiet at this point. This was before midnight. A remaining severe thunderstorm watch over Texas and Louisiana, some frost and freeze conditions in the plains, some wintry weather in Colorado, and fairly quiet across the rest of the country. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock shows most of the heavy precipitation along the eastern seaboard down into Texas around here, and maybe a tenth of an inch of rain with a bit of rain today and Saturday. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. There's a piece of energy coming in from the north, and this may spark off a late day shower, especially in the northeastern counties. A hundredth or a couple hundredths or two will be about it. Highs will be in the 60s to lower 70s, warmest to the south and west. Wednesday will be pleasant, temperatures 60s and 70s. Mostly sunny skies, no threat of rain, and that's a welcome sight in some areas. Thursday, same, a little bit warmer, upper 60s to the 70s across the state with some southerly and southwesterly winds around the high pressure that'll be to our east at this point. Friday, a storm system begins to draw closer in from the north and west, so that we could see some increasing clouds, especially in the west. Otherwise, we'll still have highs mainly in the 70s across the state at that time. Saturday, that front moves in, and you can see it looks pretty weak at this point. A few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. Chances of rain, maybe 20 to 30%. And as that front passes here on Mother's Day on Sunday, it's quiet once more, and temperatures still seasonally warm in the upper 60s and 70s. Heading into Monday, it still looks seasonal, upper 60s and into the 70s, with the precipitation off to our east and south at that point. And a week from today, on the 15th, we have a trough axis to our east, a ridge over the west, and with that we could see some showery activity along the eastern seaboard, a little bit of precip in the Rockies from Colorado down to New Mexico. Around here we could see an isolated shower, but we'll see about that. A couple days later on the 19th, main storm track well to our north, bit of a ridge over the southern plains, and with that pattern we could see some isolated afternoon showers south of us, a bit of a frontal system coming in that could spark off a shower or storm, but confidence isn't very high on this system, at least for now. The end of the forecast on the 23rd, storm track still remaining near the U.S.-Canadian border, ridge over the south, and with that we could see some scattered shower and thunderstorm activity around here, with another frontal system coming in and sort of stalling out with no progression southward, so we'll have to wait and see on this as this draws closer to Memorial Day weekend. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Wednesday.